How to download Bank of America app and sign in. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your app store. Once you're in the home page, in the search bar, you need to search for Bank of America. And then move into this app. Right here, you should see the option of Get. Click on it and then tap on Install. Wait for a while for the process to be installed. Once the installation process has been completed, simply click on Open. Once it has been opened, now in order to create an account, click on Get Started. It will land you on this page. From here, you have to choose a specific one. Let me click on Create My Login. In order for you to create an account, first of all, you have to enter your card or account number. You only need to enter last 6 digits. After that, enter your social security number or tax ID number. If you don't have one, then tap on No SSN or TIN number. You will be able to add your ATM card or debit card number. Once done, tap on Continue at the bottom right corner. Follow the on-screen process and then your Bank of America account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.